Welcome to Portsmouth Historical Society. Here in our two historic buildings, you'll find all that we have to offer. At 10 Middle Street, where you are now, we have our gift shop, welcome center, our exhibition galleries, and the Seacoast African American Cultural Center. Across the street at John Paul Jones House, you'll find a historic house museum and over 3,000 objects in our permanent collection that celebrate our city's rich history. We also offer guided walking tours, educational programs, and public programs as well. We pride ourselves on our preservation efforts, from caring for our collections to our historic buildings and advocating for historic preservation in our community. We hope you'll consider sharing in our work by becoming a member and getting involved in all that we do. Thank you again for being here, and welcome to Portsmouth Historical Society.